Here we are at the amazing 5526 East EMILE ZOLA, Phoenix, Arizona. It is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath main house with a 2-bedroom, 2-bath guest house. Huge pool, acre lot, remodeled kitchen and baths, and it's an amazing property. Let's go inside. Dramatic front door entry with some custom tile work. That is the living room. Wide open to the kitchen that's been remodeled. Large island, quartz tops, big family room. And we've got a lot more to look at. On this side of the house, we have 2 bedrooms, a bath, and an office. Lots of closet space throughout the home, everywhere. This is the laundry area here for this side. A lot of large furniture throughout the home, but it really can handle it well. This is my favorite area. Stainless appliance package. Super nice backsplash. Plank tile flooring. On this side, we have another 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. This is 3/4. Again, lots of closet space everywhere. This little boy's room. He has a few toys. This area passes through to another large separate family room area with a great stone fireplace and flagstone flooring. And there's several entrances to the backyard and pool from here. And this passes through to the guest house area. Another large office space. Bathroom. Bedroom here. Private area. And this is still part of the guest house. This is large. Its own separate living room in between the 2 bedrooms and the kitchen. We must have turned the lights off. Get those back on for you, if you want to see this kitchen. Again, island with granite tops, lots of cabinets. Dining area back here with a private patio in the back. And this is the master bedroom on the guest house side. Double closets. Remodeled bathroom again. We have over 4,700 square feet by the most recent appraisal. Livable inside. Brought to the backyard here. See this awesome pool and yard area. It is a diving pool. Built-in cleaning system. Huge deck. It is fenced, this area, for the grandson, but the fence can come down if you don't need it. Lots of big shade trees. Lots of citrus back here on the back part of the lot. Another separate workshop area back here for Dad. And again, we're at 5526 East EMILE, ZOLA. 85254 zip code, very desirable area. Come and see it.